Hi all. Today we are going to see one trigger scenario. The scenario is while creating a project and if the priority is null and project type is internal, then the priority should be high, and if the project type is external, then the priority should be medium, and if the project type is mixed, priority should be medium. And a project type, here the project object has a two custom fields. It's a project type and priority, and this project API name, it's a project type API name, and project type has this pick list values, and priority this and a second custom field on the priority object, sorry, project object, and it has a one pick list. Its values are high and medium. And here, while creating a trigger, we should remember the 3 points on which object we are trying to create a trigger, and which operation and which event. Here I'm inserting the project object, right? So I'm going with the project, and operation is insert, we are inserting, and next one is before or after. Here I'm going with the before. The reason is, here I'm creating the record, and while creating a record, here I'm pre-populating this priority field depending upon this project type value. For that reason I'm going with the before case. Before, yeah. Here I'm creating, this is already, I had created some part. Yeah, I'm showing now. I'll show you how to create a trigger. Go to the file and click on a new, and next click on a Apex Trigger. Here it should be the trigger name, and here the is object. Here you have to select that this project, and after that you can click on submit. Then this will be created. This is a trigger scenario. Yeah, I had this is a trigger name. I had kept it like a project trigger, and this is object. By default the before insert will be there. Here we already seen that before insert case. Yeah, before insert trigger dot is before, and trigger dot is insert. Whenever in the before insert case, trigger dot is before and trigger dot is insert will be written true, and what is the logic which is inside this if block will be executed. Now I will write the logic which is inside the if block. Yeah, object is this thing, PRJ. Here the whatever the values we are inserting, records we are inserting, that will be in the trigger.new, it's in list, and one by one we are getting this project record, and we are applying this logic on this record. Yeah, next, first I have to check priority is null or not. If condition, I'm using the if condition. First I'm checking it's null or not, then after I'll check a project type. If the project type is internal, here I'm checking if the project type is internal. Here, if the project type is internal, uh, so yeah, priority should be high. else the remaining cases by default give me 1 minute. Okay, here we have a two priorities only. So for a project type is internal, it should be high, and all the remaining project types it should be on medium. Then in that case I'm going like the remaining cases by default it should go to the medium. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, this is a trigger scenario. Now I will check if it is work or not. Okay, yeah, there is sorry, there is error. Yeah, now I'll check if it's working or not. I'm creating a new project. Project name PRJ3. Its name. I'm selecting internal. For internal project, its priority should be high, right? Project 3. Yeah, it's high. Its condition is satisfied. Now I'll check. Now I'll check for the external. Later I will explain. I will check for the hybrid. Yeah, here it's medium. Now I'll check for hybrid. For, yeah, it's medium. It's working. For single record, it's working. Yeah, thank you.